Check this out, y'all. This is the dog when you go to your friend's house. She don't bite. Little cupcake don't bite. You know what I'm saying? Look, little princess don't bite. Animal encounters, but they get crazier. What up, y'all? It's your boy TwoCentz, TCZ. Say it slow, man. We got a nice little video from Fail Army. Let's see what the nature is talking about today, man. Hit that like button, comment, sub. Road to 1K. Let's get it. Let's get it. We starting off crazy, bro. Look, man, I need a tip. That's all I'm saying if I'm him. Big ass dog, bro. Man, y'all gotta stop playing with these animals, bro. These are not humans. They're not your friends, all right? I don't care. Dog is man best friend. No, leave everything alone. Dogs, snakes, cats. Leave them alone, bro.
Oh my god!
Come on, man. I can't keep pausing, y'all. We just started. I'm sorry.
Get out of you!
Ooh, he flipped the truck, y'all. Oh no. Oh no. The rhino's in. I seen this on IG.
Come on, G.
Y'all, you guys, the thing about animals, and y'all, I'm gonna pause it as much as I want to. Y'all, this is a reaction page, original video linked in the description. Y'all, think about elephants, man. They actually have like a sense of humor. They like really get mad like a human being. So don't play with these. If you ever go to the African safari, the savannah safari, whatever it's called, I would be most terrified of this out of anything, bro. Look at these boys. And they could just be playing too. That's the thing about elephants, like that. You never know if they really mad. Like they just be playing too much, bro. Leave me alone.
Didn't I? That's
Little rude.
Porque ya está venciendo la ventana.
I seen this on IG.
Really?
Hold on, y'all. Let's run that back.
Really?
He still hit the car, bro.
Oh my god!
Oh no. At least it's not a, y'all, I don't know where they got lizards at, but if that was a Komodo dragon, I don't know if they can even get inside of properties like that. But y'all, look, man, I don't want to be whatever country this is. I'm good. I'm cool. I'm good, bro. Why he trying to knock his ass out? Sure.
I don't know if I want it.
Jesus
Leave
Christ.
my kids alone.
But I'd already.
Y'all would have let go of that fish so quick, bro. Look, man, snakes, you cannot, like, I know I said don't play with any animal, but snakes, I'm good. You can have it, bro. You don't want to get bit by the wrong snake and you end up in that water because you couldn't make it back. I'm cool, bro. I'm good.
Never show fear!
Bruh.
Never show fear!
Ooh. Let go of that, y'all. What? Let go of the fish, bruh. Jesus. That was a dolphin. Wait, eating the food up. Yeah, I need that. Yeah, that's mine. Yeah.
Get your nut. No, he's not. He's not gonna bite me. Ow!
What did he just say to that squirrel? Hold on, y'all.
Get your nut. No, he's not. He's not gonna bite me. Ow!
Wait, y'all, is he watching the squirrels do the deed? And it's some strange people in this world, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie.
Here we go. You've eaten that lure. Jesus Christ! Holy moly!
Ooh, I hope he don't bust the window. And these bears, y'all. Yo. Was that an alligator, bro? Y'all, I ain't never seen a gator move that quick, bro. Over that long of a distance, because I know they like pop out the water real quick, but that boy flew.
High priority's going down.
Hell no. See, look at this elephant. He probably did that as a joke, too.
Let's go the two. No.
Got him some little lunch. What's that, a little squid, bro?
Oh my god!
See, this is what I'm saying about these elephants, bro. They'll just play with you. And man, she probably broke her nose too.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Ooh. I hope I can show this, y'all. Jesus.
Oh my God.
When he slid and showed cheeks. Come on, bro.
He's putting the wind in it.
Thought that would be cool.
Go in. Let's go in.
Okay.
Here it comes.
Okay.
Man. Man, where are they living with all these bears, tigers, elephants, bro? Like, y'all got it. Man, I'm good on being that immersed in nature. I'm cool with some squirrels, you know what I'm saying? Some cats outside, you know what I mean? Maybe even some mice, raccoons, possums every now and then. What is that, a jaguar? And why are they just gonna leave the baby right there? Imagine the jaguar broke the glass, y'all. Shit. These elephants playing. They playing, bro. What's that? A walrus? A seal? Bruh, stay away from these elephants, y'all. That's the moral of this video, bruh.
You got it! It jumped on him!
Say what you gotta need that. Bro, you stepping on the damn motorcycle like it's a Lego, bro. Man, y'all gotta stay away, bro. Ooh, what's that? Ooh. Yeah, see, y'all, I seen them, like, get out the water real quick like that. That other gator that damn near jumped across, like, that cliff, I've never seen that before.
Oh.
That little bison. Big body bison. You finna flip it? You finna flip it? Nah, he got tired. Oh, wait, hold on. Damn, fuck, messed up the whole car, bro. You guys, if you see a snake bent all the way up, why would you get that close to it? Do you not know that it can expand? Like, I hope it expands during this video. I hope I don't get scared either. Pause. Those a whole bunch of pigs, wild pigs, boars. Damn, you done messed the whole family up.
Oh my God! That's a big gator, buddy. That is a big.
Oh, it's under your collar.
Oh, that's a tarantula. Y'all afraid of bugs in the comment section, man? I'm not, bro. Man, I can't say what I'm gonna do to bugs. The video might get flagged. But hey, man, y'all need a bug killed. Y'all, oop, did I say the word? My bad. Y'all need a bug eviscerated? Let me know. Yeah, boy, what? Boy got a diaper on.
Looking for a perfect stiff. Oh my God.
Jill, I can't get into where I am yet. This thing is f***ing massive. You guys gotta get out of here,
Boy,
man.
got 3 baboons in his house.
I'm gonna punch your head in. Look at my dog.
I think I've seen this one before. He's like, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Wait, hold on. Let's go back to that. He said, yeah. What? He said, yeah, yeah. He said, what's up, bruh? That's Sonic right there. Or is that a porcupine?
Hey! Hey!
Y'all, bro. He could have been over with, y'all. First of all, how did his phone get right there? Second of all, bro, I mean, you got to do something. You got to hold up something. He ain't got no weapons on him. I understand holding up the bike, but if that bear was really upset about him being there, this video would have never got posted, man. Shoot.
Hey!
Hombre, déjalo que suba para arriba. Déjalo que suba hasta la cabeza y te lo quitas, hombre.
It's stuck on his back. That's what this the dog. Check this out, y'all. This the dog when you go to your friend's house. She don't bite. Little cupcake don't bite. You know what I'm saying? Look, little princess don't bite. This dog, bro. She's sweet. What is that? It's a snake. She done brought the whole family. They done got the whole forest of deers with them. The whole pack.
Hey, sit, cushy, Jesus, cushy, shh, quiet.
Bro, I thought that was hers.
The guy is freaking out.
Is that a bison? The boy won't let him out. What type of bird is this, y'all? This is the second one we seen. Little black and white. I never seen that bird before. Outside of this vid.
Oh, he's on. He's on.
Bro, what are these birds called, y'all? And why they so mean, bro?
Oh, he's gonna
Chill on him.
Oh, man, Jay, let's pull it in, Jude. Look at that thing. Oh, my God.
Dang, this thing blurry, though. What y'all doing? It's late at night, right? You need some. You thirsty? You know what I'm saying? You walk down down the stairs of your house. You see this out front. What y'all do? Y'all still going to get some water or what? This got to be like Florida or somewhere tropical, bro.
Right to that glass. Leave it alone. I have a gun.
Bro. Man, I feel like alligators or crocodile. I feel like they bulletproof, low key. I don't know. I'm clear. I clearly am ignorant, y'all. But that boy is clearly not here to play. He here to eat. Is that a moose? Damn, done trampled her. Let's see. Get out my forest. Oh, that's mother bear. That's mother bear. She said, "Slow down, bruh. Watch out for my kid." Was that a cat or a fox? I'm gonna try to pause it, y'all. Is that a little cat? That ain't. It gotta be a crocodile. Knew it. Told you, y'all. Told y'all. Let's run that back, bruh. Man, y'all gotta get away from these bears.
Oh, God!
Thank God that was a curious baby bear, bro. Thank God. Jesus. What was that, little seal, little otter? I don't know. I know his body hurt. Look at him. Look at this, y'all. I know his neck hurt. Is all his I know he hurt. He gonna feel that when he get back to the forest. He gonna feel that for sure. Shark on the beach. Why are they still in the water, y'all? Fighting. Ooh, that boy trying to get in the car. Y'all, these black and white birds, bro. And why did they just let it like get in there? Bro, take your shoe off and stomp. I'm glad the bird caught it, man. He got him a free meal, but like. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Slammed his little body ass. Wait, hold on, we gotta see that again. Slammed his little head ass. Don't get kicked. Yep. Ribs broke. Ribs cracked. Rib shattered, y'all. Let's see it again. You know his body hurt. His body hurt. He hurt. He rolled over good 3-4 times, bruh. What's that little baby gator? Well, y'all better get that little baby and make a belt. You know what I'm saying? Well, they better snatch that boy up. I ain't rewinding no more, y'all.
Oh my God.
Is that a hammerhead shark? Why is he in the water?
He sees it. He sees it.
Y'all, why is he not running, bro? Can anybody answer me that in the...
Look at him.
What animal is this? Y'all, them bears, bro. These rural neighborhoods. That's the bear from Goldilocks. That's the little baby bear. He trying to get his porridge back. Boy, that boy rung the doorbell. That boy scared of a little puppy? Man, he lucky the bear don't understand who he is yet. Man, that bear would've, in like 2-3 years, that bear would've